In today's video, we will explore 8 methods of environmental conservation that you can implement in your daily life. Method number 1. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. These 3 simple actions can make a huge impact on protecting our environment. Method number 2. Conserve water by fixing leaks, taking shorter showers, and using efficient appliances. Method number 3. Use alternative transportation methods, like biking or carpooling, to reduce your carbon footprint. Method number 4. Plant trees and create green spaces to combat deforestation and provide habitats for wildlife. Method number 5. Support sustainable agriculture by buying locally grown and organic produce. Method number 6. Minimize energy consumption by using LED light bulbs and turning off electronics when not in use. Method number 7. Properly dispose of hazardous waste, such as batteries and electronics, at designated recycling centers. Method number 8. Advocate for environmental policies and support organizations that work towards conservation efforts. By practicing these methods, we can all contribute to a healthier and more sustainable planet for future generations. Remember, every small action matters, so let's take responsibility and make a positive impact on our environment.